Hello and welcome back to the channel. So a short while ago I received this message in the comment section of running Windows 95 on a Pocket PC. If you've not seen that video, I will pop a link in the description and you can watch it when you've finished this one. So I'm sure all of you have probably guessed I said yes, I'd love to review your Viliv N5, which later on transpired to be the S5, but that's still great. So the Viliv S5 was released in 2009. It's a lot like a miniature version of the Samsung Q1. But the Viliv S5 was never officially launched in Europe, or at least you couldn't go into a shop and buy it. Instead you had to get it off eBay or Amazon, or import it through a company like Dynamism. Dynamism, you remember them. They used to import UMPCs and handheld PCs from the Asian markets, which were not available in the US or Europe. They also used to deal in high-end mobile phones. I bought my Galaxy Note 3 from them, and here's their page from 2010. So up at the top on the banner, we've got the UMID M-Book, which I bought in white, and down here we can see the advert for the Viliv S5, which now comes with Windows 7. Sadly, I couldn't actually load the page with the Viliv S5 advert. As for Dynamism, as the market changed, so did they. They currently appear to sell 3D printers, but I digress. So I initially thought from the way it was worded that this was a loan of the Viliv S5, which I would then review, perhaps install a new operating system or upgrade the current one, and then send back, and that would have been great. But after a bit of back and forth on Messenger, it became clear that this was actually a very generous gift. Not only that, but since it's coming from Korea, it might include the digital TV card. A few weeks later, and here it is. So let's have a look. So first things first, I'm going to use my trusty letter opener to get into the box. And we've got a box in a box. I can only hope there's another few boxes like a Russian doll. Oh, what is that? That is a Wi-Fi adapter, which is going to work with 98 SE up to Vista XP 2000. So that's perfect. This will go very nicely with the M300 I recently acquired and have done a clean install of 98 2nd edition on. Oh, look at this. I've got a PC card adapter for memory stick to PC card. That is excellent. That's going to be very useful. There's a car adapter with a mini USB, which says it's for HP. So we'll see what that is, and some screen protectors. There's a car mount, also for HP, not Viliv. It's a nice car mount though. Tamagotchi, very nice. Oh, I'll have to have a play with that later. An HP mini USB adapter. A power brick, I have an adapter for that. Presumably that's for the Viliv. That's the stylus for the Viliv, so these were often lost because they just go on a lanyard rather than having a silo to go in. But there's the original stylus. Looks a lot like a guitar pick. Let's see what's in here. If it'll ever come out. Oh, wow. This is an HP travel companion, so this has a built-in GPS. Presumably there are maps on this card. Don't know, but I'm going to assume that there are. See if it works. Oh, yep, looks like it works. We'll give that a minute to boot. Oh, amazing. This is clearly in Korean. Oh yeah. So this is designed as a travel companion, so it's got GPS maps on, and of course it's got media players, MP3 players, entertainment on the move basically. So neat little device. I look forward to doing a review of that. That is a welcome and unexpected addition to the box. And of course I've got a car mount so we can give it a go with some actual maps. So this must be the Viliv S5. It's a lot smaller than I expected. Perfect. Let's see if it powers up. Where's the power button on this? Volume. What's that? Oh, that's the aerial for the TV. Superb. And there's the power button. Oh, I can hear the faint whir of a hard drive spinning. So presumably this is the 60 gig version with the mechanical drive. They also did a 32 gig SSD. The familiar sound of Windows XP. So this is the Cube UI, which allows you to launch programs rather than going through the start menu. Entertainment, internet, navigation, because of course this has a built-in GPS, productivity, and my group. So I'm going to take this and have a proper play, and then I can do an actual review of it. But I've got to say it's a lot smaller than I expected. It is a very sturdy piece of kit. It feels good. It's got plenty of ports on the side. So I'm excited to give this a play. I think I might install an English language pack first. A massive thanks goes to Edgar Alicio of Exclaim Technologies for this very generous gift. Everything in here will definitely be used. I'll keep you updated on how I get on with that Tamagotchi. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank everyone else who has previously donated gifts to the channel, many of which have now been reviewed. So thanks to Justin Woods for the Clear TJ35, which pops up periodically as a timer, and who more recently sent me the case for this. So many thanks, because that makes it much easier when I go out and about with it. A big thanks to Seb from Glasgow, who sent me the Toshiba E800. This pocket PC has a slightly bigger than average screen, but is also extremely powerful for its day. A thanks to Rena and Opie for the Q1. That review is coming next year. A big thanks to Dominic, who sent me the Acer N30. And of course to Ruth Rock, who sent me not only the Velo 1, but also the P11Z, which we're currently looking at installing different operating systems on. I cannot thank you all enough for your kind donations. It just goes to show what a great little community we're creating here on YouTube. If you've enjoyed this video, a like and a sub would be excellent. As always, my name's Hugh. This is Handheld Computing. Thanks for watching.